Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video guys, we will show you how to install LED light bulbs guys, headlight bulbs on Ford Edge. First generation guys. So if you have a Ford Edge guys between year 2007 and 2014, the video should be very helpful guys. Now, quick introduction, every single car we get at the shop, we make at least 200 videos guys. We take them completely apart, including this generation Ford Edge. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the videos guys. We'll be constantly uploading videos. Now, if you need to buy replacement bulbs, LED bulbs, parts, anything like that, check out the link in the description of the video below for your convenience guys. This is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll demonstrate on, and you will be surprised guys how good those bulbs are. Now, bulbs that we'll be using, H11s guys. Okay, H11s, different brands, really depends guys what you get, but those are super good bulbs. Let us show you guys what they look like. Okay, and we will show you how they perform when we install them. Now, those are the bulbs, they're exterior bulbs, that's what we need for that Ford Edge. Now, you have guys that tool right here. It's very convenient too because the base right here, you can see it has a small Allen wrench that you can loosen that bolt and you can turn the base to where it needs to be. That way you will adjust the angle of the bulb, so if your connector is long or it's too short on one side, you're going to flip it on the other side. So that's pretty convenient guys. What we're going to do now, we'll just go ahead and open the hood. I think we're about to blow away guys. It's super windy outside today for some reason. Now, if you guys check it out, okay, on your headlight, okay, the top bulb right here, this is a low beam bulb, this is high beam bulb. Now, we'll demonstrate on the low beams. We recommend to use them on the low beams, guys. But you can do the high beams as well. We'll have the link for those as well, guys. If you want to go double, go ahead, remove the bulb by going counterclockwise. Super simple, guys. Now, those two things, okay, we need to spread them on that bulb, okay, right there. Spread and pull the bulb out at the same time, guys. Now, we're going to get the new bulb, guys. Now, this bulb, okay, it has two positions, guys. It has two positions. So one of them will work, the other one will not. So you need to see exactly how it's going to work, okay? If it doesn't work, flip it the other way, guys. Go ahead, okay, install it, get it in the slots. Okay, get it in the slots, and now you need to find that sweet spot, guys. Okay, and just get it tight. Now, remember how I told you that you can you can turn the base so it can face the other way and the wire will not be under pressure? Okay, we can do that. So let's go ahead, guys. Okay, we're going to go ahead, grab the key quick, and we're going to turn the headlights on. I'll turn the lights off and all that stuff so we can see, guys, okay, what it looks like. Now, let me turn, okay, the light for the camera too. Okay, see if you can see a little bit better. Now guys, this is it. This is LED bulb compared to non-LED bulb on this side. Okay, you can see the difference yourself. Okay, non-LED, LED. Check it out, guys. It's simply amazing. Check it out. The color of the light is amazing. Now, if I come to this side, it's yellowish. It's not so bright. And what I like about it, guys, okay, these bulbs, they have a good pattern. Okay, check it out. This is on the door, guys. Okay, simply amazing. Now, you can see how they fit, and the pattern is the same. So some of them make like a big blob here, which is terrible. In our case, guys, okay, it follows the factory pattern of the light. And another thing, the cooling fan is actually on the outside on this headlight. So it's a great design because the bulb actually will not get hot. So if you're guys on the market for LED bulbs and you're wondering how to do it, that's how you guys do it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you guys next time.